Hey guys, it's great to see you again. Welcome back, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to find the best Shopify theme for your online store. Now the steps are really easy, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. So there are actually a lot of themes in Shopify that you can use, but at the end of the day, it's actually you who's gonna decide and gonna choose your theme. So I'm just gonna guide you on some of the different themes that I know and that might be able to help you with your online store. So the first thing is called the Spotlight theme. Now this is the most basic theme that's Shopify gives or lets you use for free. It's for those people who are trying to sell, basic stuff, just like this. So you can actually just click try theme right here, the option if you want to add this theme directly. So just a bit of an information. There are also some themes which actually takes your budget, but they can actually be a good investment because you can import them to another website if you don't, use Shopify anymore. So back to Spotlight theme. You can click view demo store right here if you want to view the demo first. So there you go. It has your branding and the products that you actually sell. So this is like just the basic stuff, the slogan right here, and you can actually edit the view as well. If you're on a phone, you just have to click on the top phone icon, so it gives you this view. So it gives you like that the slogan, the social media platforms that you're in, and also the payment type of your store. So this is again the most basic theme. So I recommend this to those people who are selling basic stuff on Shopify. Now let's go on and try another free theme from Shopify, which is called the Dawn theme. So for this theme, it actually focuses on those sellers who sell collections like bags, books, and sandals. So if you're one of those people who are trying to sell these kinds of stuff, you can actually use this theme. It's very useful. So here's an example right here. There are different kinds of bags and sandals, and more in like a minimalistic view of your store, so you can access quick links, information, and again the same kind of social media platforms. Okay, and the next one is Impulse, another theme that I know. So this one actually costs you $350. It kinda is expensive, but if you are trying to sell fancy stuff like wedding clothes or clothes for dating or anything fancy, and something that you can use to actually go to fancy dates or whatever, you can actually use this theme, and it's really gonna help you with your online store and attract more buyers. And we're just gonna wait for this to load. So there you go. So these are the examples. So as you can see, some of the clothes are really fancy. So I recommend this to people who are selling fancy and good looking products. So if you don't really want any of clothing, you can actually have a lot of options here on this screen to just click all themes at the top part, and collections. You can also choose a few options right here. And again, as I said, at the end of the day, it's your choice. And some of these are really expensive, but I do really think that it's worth the investment, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.